What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem here. So in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the iWatch right here. So basically come in this package, as you can see. Just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. So this is the series 9 41mm, and this is how it looks. So unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. Once you unbox it, you will see a prompt right here on my phone that I can connect it to my phone to access it. And now you can set up your watch. So you can choose which hand you wear it on, if you wear it on your right hand or on your left hand. So I'm gonna continue. So right now guys, I'm gonna create a passcode. Then you can change the font size depending on how you want it. I'm gonna use small and bold, not preferably. Continue. Put your date of birth and those things. Alright guys, as you can see, my Apple Watch set up successfully. Now we have some features right here that you can enable, such double tap features. So I'm gonna put it on my arm right now, let you guys see. And I'm gonna continue with these features, as you can see right here. Okay, so right there, as you can see, my watch is now set up and ready. Start. So whenever you set it up, you're gonna go through these features. So you can go through different apps right here. You press this button, go on your notification, you can see. So all of your message right here is connected in your notification, and everything is now up and running, as you guys can see right here. So on the Apple phone, you can actually go on the app to like customize your watch. So you can see your face gallery, and with a lot of different faces, as you can see right there. You can go through and choose any face that you like. So for example, like this face right here, just click onto it and you can just add it and it automatically, as you guys can see, and my watch faces right there. So you can customize it to your liking, and I'm definitely going to do an update video on this. So if you guys want to see more, please subscribe to this channel for more content like this. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys find this video very helpful. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.